Hhayi-ke kushuthi siyawina-ke manje ngoba ihhotela selibuyile lingakuthina-ke manje. UMartha nomuntu wakhe u-Mr. Jackson babuyele ehhotela and u-Mr. Mael Eskel uStan uthi akasalifuni leli hhotela lama athi izinto eziningi ziyenzakala la, izinto zasebusuku ziyenzakala la. So yena athi-ke na leli hhotela akasalithanda akasalifuni futhi nakhona-ke as a cherry on top, ayikho into uJackson angikweleta yona, ayikho into uMartha angikweleta yona. In fact, he went as far as writing that as a contractual obligation. Yes, he wrote it on the contract to say ukuthi kahle kahle uMartha akamkoloti next and then uJackson akamkoloti next. Kushuthi ihhotela it's fully owned by uMartha and uJackson le 10 million layithathile 0 on the bank balance. Now my question is, what happens ge ngale ndoda ewumeya njengamanje njengoba sekubusa bani uNcuka? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndimadekwana, sanibonani, absheni, molweni, minjani, yibukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongolokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors kumakuru last time sekange kahle, looking at the fact that Petunia had a prestigious visit from Rosemary, who happens to be the mayor's wife as well. So while they were still sitting, and then as acela champagne mayor's wife Petunia Tiena, she does not have a champagne right now, ipelizolo, and then she had not restocked atike. Coffee, would it do? Yes. Now, as she was trying to prepare the coffee or tea, kwangena ge umamista. Mamista comes in with her ghetto gangster kind of a conversation. Akuluma nobani no Rosemary. And Petunia did not like it. She felt like it was low class and it was not something on her level. Then Mase Rosemary masega hambile again. There was a brief discussion where Umamista was like, you know what, I see ukuthi Rosemary uyangithanda, therefore ngizohamba ngiyo-attend the event yakhe kusasa. And besides, it's like she enjoyed the company. Athi-ke no Petunia, lalela-ke mngani wami, wena ula phansi, mina ngile phezulu, I'm the mayor's wife. So it means that you and I, ama-level wethu awafani and awasafani. So which means that you and I, we are not in the same caliber to be rubbing shoulders with the same people. So we understand the lento lay. And if it happens with you walk into my house and find prestigious people with prestigious people, then you must be able to adjust ukhulume kahle. Kungabi bikho ukuthi wena manje sewukhuluma isighethu. This was really painful and hurtful for Umamista, and then she left, went back to the salon, go and told Leroy how the way yatongilwa ngayo the entire time, and she was told uri ene bapasi balama roto bantabala dzikeke. This did not sit well with her, and then Leroy didn't even believe that was true. He kept asking, are you sure that's what she said? But well, that's what she said. And I think for some unknown reason, I understand where Petunia was coming from. It's just that thing, Yoguti, when I'm with specific people, can you behave in a certain way? But I think she just went overboard. Maybe she was overly embarrassed with what was happening, but I don't think Rosemary was then embarrassed. Excuse me. I didn't think Rosemary took it wrong. Well, I think personally, Petunia is kind of developing an attitude and uzowa gabhlungu. The way ngibona ngakhona uzowa and uzobuyela kuma friends wakhe wakudala, and they will remind her. Karma will catch up with her. Ningathi angitshelanga. Mase ngintshela ngizontshelwa ngantshela. Anyway, on the other hand, then she decided to go and see umngani wakhe uMamfundisi. Ha! Uphethu wafika lapho watshela uMamfundisi the way yena awunkosikazi kameya, and she wants to be mingling with people in high places, and also her dress code needs to change. Umamfundisi was not happy with that kind of conversation. You could see from her face, you got to know, but I don't think kumele ushintshe impilo yakho for the people that you just met now, especially people that you don't know. Athi no, phela wena angeke uzo-understand mina ngunkosikazi kameya. Wait, did I say ukuthi uStan uhambile? Oh yes, I did. uStan uhambile ke uNcuka is in charge. Right. So at work, Tim receives a phone call ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe or soon to be ex-wife uthatha impahla labantwana pfu uyahamba shaya ishwap. So he was saying, listen, labantwana labo abantwana bala ekhaya sakuthela ngenyongo wena mawufika la, how dare you take those kids and go with them? Wena ungahamba nangabe ufuna uhamba kodwa ishingane zami, which was a fair argument. Umfundisi ke athi umfisela konke okuhle because he was standing there listening to the conversation long enough to know what was happening. Interesting. On the other hand again, baphoyisa uyahamba uthi yena indaba yasemnyameni sekakhathele ngayo and into emhanze ukuthi ahambe uthando bafethu. I didn't think at some point that Caesar's ex-wife would be Phakade's wife. And ungathi bamphethe kahle, the way amuyizela ngakhona, the way he wants to leave everything behind for love. Uyabona ukuthi khona la bambamba khona where he is feeling ukuthi, you know what, for you I'll sacrifice yonke into. So I don't know, maybe if this is the end of his storyline or this is him exiting the scene, because we didn't even know ukuthi bekajola naye, but only now we see ukuthi who is the love of his life. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. Also, remember we do not post full episode videos. We do reviews of full episode reviews. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please give this video a big thumbs up and